three-bedroom detached condo in Westford just hit the 40B lottery this morning for $248,200. Not a townhouse, a detached condo, which means you get privacy and space without the maintenance burden of a single-family home. For context, typical three-bedroom homes in Westford are selling well over $600,000. Check it out below. Even Redfin thinks the market value of this unit should be over $513,000. This could save you hundreds of thousands of dollars if you qualify and win the lottery. But the application deadline is February 25th at noon, and the process is strict. I'm Mike. I helped my son win a 40B lottery after over a year of applications. Here's what you need to know about Cottages in the Woods. Westford's Cottages in the Woods is in a really great location, located just a minute or two from I-495, Whole Foods, and probably a dozen great restaurants and coffee shops. This unit is very different from your typical condo, though. These are 20 detached units built between 2010 and 2013, so you're not sharing walls with neighbors. You get the privacy of a single-family home without the maintenance burden. The community has this New England village charm, and right in the development, you get direct access to hiking and mountain biking trails. We found the original builder website that confirmed they are Energy Star rated, so you're saving on heating and cooling compared to other older properties. The unit itself, 1,010 square feet with 3 bedrooms and 2 full baths. You get that full basement, attic for even more storage, front porch, and 2 parking spaces. Gas heat, central air, and yes, pets are welcome. Okay, let's try to estimate the monthly cost. Purchase price, $248,200. If we put the minimum 3% down, that's about $7,450. A 30-year at 6% would be about $1,443 per month. Then we add our $319 a month condo fee, and homeowners insurance would probably be another $100. Property taxes are about $271 per month. The total estimate is going to be somewhere around $2,042 per month, and your total housing costs, including the mortgage, cannot exceed 38% of your income. That's a hard rule. So let's talk about eligibility. To enter the lottery, you must meet all of these requirements. First-time homebuyer without a home for 3 years, with exceptions for displaced homemakers, single parents, and households where someone is 55 or older. Income limits. 1 person max $73,200, 2 people $83,650, 3 people $94,100, 4 people $104,550. These are hard caps at 80% of area median income. Assets. Assets must be under $75,000 total, and this includes everything except your car and furniture. Your mortgage pre-approval must be fixed rate from a lender that understands affordable housing deed restrictions. Although the application indicates that internet-only banks like Rocket Mortgage are not accepted, others have found that banks like Chase, Bank of America, FHA, VA, and Quicken Loans may not accept the terms of a 40B deed restriction. You should always let your loan officer know this is a 40B property and provide them with a copy of the deed restriction. The application suggests working with the recommended lenders on Mass Housing and MHP One mortgage websites. Links are in the description. My son went through Mass Housing, and they were great to work with. So how do you apply? Well, the application deadline is February 25th at noon, and that's noon, not 5 p.m. like a lot of other lotteries. Your lottery form and mortgage pre-approval must be uploaded to the Metro West CD's website. There's a virtual information meeting February 11th at 7 p.m. It's not required, but I strongly recommend. The meeting ID and passcode are found in the description. After the deadline, Metro West CD reviews all applications. The lottery drawing will be on March 4th at noon. If you're selected, you'll have 3 business days to submit all of your financial documentation. Contact the 40B monitor, Metro West CD, if you have any questions. Their contact information is in the description. I track every 40B lottery in Massachusetts. Subscribe so you don't miss opportunities like this. Application link is in the description. You have about 4 weeks. Good luck.